How to create drop-down mega menu on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can create drop-down mega menu on Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up or log in into your Shopify account. Now once you're logged into your Shopify account, this is how the interface is going to look like. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and click on online store. Once you've done that, underneath you'll be able to see multiple options. So go ahead and tap on navigation, which is right at the bottom. So then to create a drop-down mega menu on Shopify, you'll need to first of all add a menu. So here you can see there is the add menu button located right on top. After that, it's going to ask you to enter a title. So first of all, let's go ahead and type in the title. First of all, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to say add menu. So right at the bottom, click on add menu items, and in the right hand side bar you need to type in the name of the item. Now for example, here you need to select the heading. Now I'm going to just go ahead and type in category or maybe catalog. After that, it's going to ask you to paste in the link or where you actually want to locate it. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on home page and click on the add button. As you can see that the menu has been added. Now you'll need to enter in the list that includes on this particular topic. So for that, you need to go ahead and tap on add menu. Once again, go ahead and type in the items of the product that's going to be added on this particular section. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in jewelries. And once again, do the same procedure, click on home page and click on the add button. Do the same procedure for the rest of the other items as well. After that, go ahead and tap on the add button. Once the item has been added to the category, now you'll need to hold it right in the corner of that particular item. After that, you need to drag towards the right hand side corner and this particular item will be added on this section. Once again, do the same procedure for other item. Hold it and then drag towards the right hand side and the product has been added into the category list. Now go ahead and tap on the save button. Once again, for the confirmation, you need to type in the title that will be the same, that is category, and then tap on save button. Once you've done this, the menu has been created. Now you can go on doing the same procedure for the rest of the other feature. So in this way you can add menu. In this way you can create drop-down mega menu on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.